I'm Justin McPadden. I'm the owner of Final Touch Drywall and Ceiling Refinishing. I got into drywall when I was 16 years old. I started Final Touch Drywall because I wanted to bring more quality into the industry. I worked for a lot of other companies and the quality just wasn't there. It was just get a guy, put him in a truck, and hopefully he knows what he's doing. Well, that's not what we do around here. We train people. We train our guys to the standards that we want, the quality that we want, and to make sure that your home's taken care of just as much as you care for it. What you can expect from us is that you'll get a quality job, you'll get professionalism, you'll get attention to detail. We train all our guys to make sure that they are not cutting corners and that they're giving you the best product when they finish. So what separates us from other companies is that we don't cut corners. And what I mean by that is that if we do a ceiling refinish or we go into your garage and it's falling down, we add screws throughout the whole ceiling to make sure that later on it's not gonna fail and you're not gonna think of us in a less tasteful way in the future. Also, we fix and smooth out your ceilings before texture. This way you don't see humps and dips after the job is complete. We are drywall specialists, and what that means is we can repair, replace, or refinish your drywall on your ceilings and walls, any condition. Another service we offer is Venetian plaster, and what Venetian plaster is, it's a decorative finish that goes over your walls and ceilings, or it turns your wall into a piece of art. Whether you're looking to repair, replace, or refinish your walls or ceilings, or maybe you're looking for a decorative piece to add some art to your wall, we'd like to be your go-to experts here at Final Touch Drywall and Ceiling Refinishing.